How to make slime with borax. In this video, I will be showing you how to make slime with borax and other ingredients in this tutorial. Stay until the end so that you can see more ways to make slime with borax and watch people having fun with slime. So let's go have some fun. Experiment with borax for your slime time. The ingredients for this first slime is PVA glue, which is white glue, about a tablespoon of water. Mix with a wooden stick or plastic spoon. Mix it well. Stir, stir, stir. Mix in some art paint or dye. If you have kids, then you can use food-grade food coloring. I have a link in the description, and you can purchase this on Amazon through my link. You can choose any color or combination of colors. In this case, it's purple. Just a few drops. Mix in with your spoon or stick. For the second color, mix in red dye to the color that you want. Next comes the borax. Mix in a teaspoon of borax with water in a small cup and use a plastic spoon or dropper to mix into the slime solution, about a tablespoon. Mix well. The solution will start turning into slime consistency. Mix the rest of it with your fingers until it's a dough consistency. Now you can start kneading, poking, stretching the slime and playing with it. We have pink and purple slime. It can be stored in a glass jar. Here's another video, how to make slime with borax. Here's some beautiful sparkly slime that's easy to make at home. The ingredients are transparent water-based glue. I have a description on how you can purchase it through Amazon. Borax, water, and dye. This slime has different consistency and color. First, pour about half a cup of water into a bowl. Put your food-grade food coloring or art dye into the water and mix. In a separate bowl, you will pour in the water-based transparent glue, then pour some of the solution into an empty container of the glue to get all of the glue out. Next, pour half of the dye solution into the bowl with glue and stir. Next, put in a tablespoon of borax mixed with water solution that you dissolved ahead of time. Mix and stir. It's now a beautiful slime consistency, and the paint had sparkles in it, so the slime is sparkly blue. It's ready to be stretched and played with. Here's the transparent water-based glue that you can purchase on Amazon. It's non-toxic craft glue with a strong hold. Here we have the food-grade food coloring, Limino. Here's another video how to make slime with borax.
Our bottle of glue into a bowl. and then fill up the empty bottle with water. Add about 8 drops of food coloring. We decided to make purple, so we added 4 red and 4 blue. Cap the glue bottle and shake to rinse out the glue, and then add that to your bowl of glue and food coloring. Give everything a good stir. So in a bowl, add 1/2 a cup plus 1/6 of a cup of hot water. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of borax, and then you're going to stir until it's completely dissolved. Then comes the fun part. Just pour in your glue mixture into your borax solution, and you'll start making slime. Give it a good knead, and you're ready to play. Look at it.
Polar bear prints.
Yeah, those are nice. You can actually see his claws.
You can add beads or any other art and craft to your slime. Here's an example of some pink beads added to the slime. It's fun to poke and stretch. Here's some Elmer's School Glue, the white glue, and the Lemino food coloring set that you can purchase on Amazon. It's great for slime coloring, and it has deep colors: strawberry, tangerine, blueberry, grape, green apple. And you can buy the 2-pack of borax through the link in my description. Here's some beads that you would put in the bottom of a glass container, and then put your slime over it and mix in the clear beads. Isn't this pretty? And it's fun too. It will keep the kids entertained for hours, and it's great playtime. It's also like a great physical therapy for the kids and yourself. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Here's some deep purple slime. This is really pretty. Just mix in your colors. Or you could make like a pale purple, like a putty consistency. You could put more borax in and make it harder. Here's some gray color to make it thicker. This is really fun. It makes your hands really strong. Here's a yellow color that's very pretty, and it is also a different consistency, but it's fun and swirly. Slime, and you pour a few drops of food coloring in and mix it in with your hands, and then it makes the different colors that you put in. Kind of swirly at first, and then you never know what color it's going to end up until you mix it all in. DIY tutorial: how to make clear slime. Pour in your clear PVA glue or white glue into a glass or clear container or bowl. Add the borax powder into the water solution. And you're going to use about a teaspoon of borax and a couple teaspoons of water to mix in a separate container. to add to your slime. Mix it very well until the borax powder gets dissolved. Add in your activator, which is the borax, into the glue mixture little by little. Stir and mix well. When it's very sticky, be sure to add a tiny bit of activator. Now you can see it's starting to turn into slime. Here's your finished product. And don't forget to order your borax through my link on Amazon. You can also order Elmer's Magical Liquid Elmer's Glue. It's washable, safe, and non-toxic. It makes multiple batches of slime. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And please watch our playlist, which will give you a list of slime videos to watch, recipes, tutorials, and some meditation for your stress and relief.